So here I'm going to go through an example of solving for that weighted mean. I want you guys to keep in mind that formula for a weighted mean is the sum of all of your different data values times the different weights divided by the sum of all the weights. So let's start putting in our information. We have her grade. We have the weights of the classes. We also have the grade points. So she got it an A, a B, a C, and an F. And the weights of those classes, so a 3 credit hour, a 4 credit, 3, and 1. And then we'll put in those grade points. And this is where it told you that an A was 4, a B was 3, and so on. So we've got 4, 4, 3, 2, and 0. So we have what we need to start solving for this weighted mean. So the first thing we need to do is we need to do your weights times your grade points so that we can end up adding those all together. Because remember, it's the sum of all of the weights times those data values. So let's do weights times grade points. I am going to use cell referencing here. So I'm going to do equals my weight times my grade point, enter, and then I'm going to drag down since I used that cell referencing for Excel to fill in the rest. Okay, so we have that. I'm going to just make me a little border here, and now we can do those sums. So I need the sum of the weights, and I need the sum of the weights times the grade points. So equals sum, and then I'm highlighting that I need. I have those two pieces. So to find your weighted average, we're going to do equals the sum of all the weights times the grade points divided by the sum of all the weights. And we are getting 3.071.